Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, Friday again proved to be a Friday, means FRY, Friday, okay. And yesterday again, market fried many accounts of the retail traders. And NFP proved that NFP is the king of all events. If you were observing the market at the time of NFP or after NFP, then you saw something that you will never forget, or at least you will remember for the next couple of years, because we got to see some crazy moves. Okay, you can see I have marked here with an arrow here. So market was around here just before NFP when the data came out. Data was weak, because of which we got to see some good amount of selling pressure on dollar index, US dollar, and gold was going up. Okay, after making a high of 2477, to be honest, I was thinking that market will come for retracement and market will go up again, because the data was completely negative for TXY. But after some time, okay, we got to see some crazy amount of selling, and you can see that after some time, okay, there was a big drop, and the drop looked unstoppable. It made a low of almost 2411, 2410, and ultimately market closed at 2442. This is the current market price. So before I proceed with the video, I would like to make it very clear that number of trading opportunities are very limited right now. For Monday or Tuesday, we need to wait for some time. We need a stable market, and right now market is not stable. If market settles on Monday, then we may look for some opportunities. But at this moment, things are not very clear and very risky for traders like us. Okay, so let's understand one by one. Let's look at the market sentiment first. Dollar falls sharply on soft US economic report. Dollar hits 4-month low as weak US jobs data boosts rate cut bets. The US dollar dropped to a 4-month low on Friday after a weaker than expected employment report for July raised expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates by 50 basis points in September as the economy soars. If employers added 114,000 jobs below expectation for an increase of 175,000 jobs. The unemployment rate rose to 4.3. Expectation was around 4.1. Okay. Um, Above economists' expectations that it would be unchanged on the month at 4.1. So expectation was 4.1. It came 4.3. So overall the data was not positive, and you can see gold falls even as dollar and treasury yields sink following a weaker US job report. But personally, I believe that when gold went up, okay, let me show you. Okay, when gold went up after NFP, it was obvious. But this fall, okay, simply looked like a complete market manipulation to me. You can see, my dear friends, the forecast was 175K job, previous was 179K, and the number came around 114K. For unemployment rate, you can see forecast was 4.1, previous was 4.1, and number came around 4.3. And you can see the impact is neutral for gold, this one is bullish for gold. And if you want to see the impact for dollar, then you can see both the news were bearish for US dollar. And if you're wondering what is this, then my dear friends, this is the awesome economic calendar from FastBull. We have been using this for quite some time, and undoubtedly this is the best economic calendar that I have seen till date. Not only it tells us about the news, but also it tells us about the impact that we are going to see after a news. Because after a news, it is difficult to understand in which direction the market will move. But FastBull really eases the journey. And if you want to go in detail, then you just need to click on the view button here. Then you get the complete detail fundamental analysis. It's an awesome economic calendar to improve our fundamental knowledge as well as to trade at the time of news. And my dear friends, as we all know, that trading is a lonely journey. We traders pass through a lot of emotions while trading, so sometimes we feel the need to talk to someone, isn't it? And FastBull has taken care of this issue very well. They have recently launched their global chat room. So, my dear friends, on their global chat room, you will find traders from all around the world. If you're not much comfortable in English, then also you don't need to worry because they have installed artificial intelligence. You can write down in your own language like Vietnamese, Spanish, Thai, and the artificial intelligence will translate into English so that everyone can understand. And you can also create your own group with your friends and family members to discuss about the market. You simply need to click here. You can form a new group, add context, and if you want to explore more groups, then just click on discover groups. Okay, write your interest here and you will find many groups according to your interest, trading related only. Okay, not for other purpose. Okay, so feel free to check out FastBull, my dear friends. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. Now we are back to gold again. Yeah. So this is the weekly chart of gold in front of us. Though market has shown extreme selling pressure on Friday after NFP, but on the weekly chart we can still see that this was just a price rejection from above, and market is still standing at a high here. Still we do not have any sign of trend reversal on the higher time frame. So if you're expecting that gold will be in downtrend for the next couple of weeks, still no confirmation regarding that. If you look at the daily time frame, then we can clearly see signs of indecision in the market. Yesterday market formed a big doji. Also you can consider it as a spinning top. On Thursday also market from a doji or a spinning top. Both the candlestick pattern signifies indecision in the market. Okay, so if you are a trader of the higher time frame, this is not the ideal time. Okay, you need to wait because market is also waiting because of the fight between bulls and the bears. Okay, now this is the current setup of gold in front of us. You can see that we have a big zone because whatever is going on the middle of the chart is not very reliable. As I said at the beginning of the video, that the trading opportunities are very limited right now and we need to respect it. Because we are retail traders, we cannot expect the market uh, to be in line with our own knowledge. And when we don't understand the market, okay, then it's better for us to wait. And it is not possible for us to predict the market at each and every price level because we do not have that kind of information or knowledge as well. Market is above all and we need to accept it. Okay, so right now you can see that at the top we have a sell zone around 2483 and 2477. 2477 to 2483 is the sell zone where market earlier also failed to cross it, and yesterday also we saw that market failed to cross the level. So the resistance around 2477 to 2483 is still there in the market. By next week, if market goes up, then obviously we can expect some selling pressure around this area and we can look for a sell. Similarly, around 2400 we can expect strong buyers to be present because 2400 was just important level. It's a round number, so 2400 is still there in the market as the buy zone. So this is the range of the market right now, and market you can see just close on the middle of the chart here. And that's why things are not very clear to us, because if we look at the market on lower time frames, it is the 50 minutes time frame. So what do we see here? After a big drop, market is trying to recover. So in this type of situation, it is very difficult to understand whether we should be looking for buy or sell. Okay, and moreover, the geopolitical tension, okay, will also have a big impact. If any news comes out during the weekend, then obviously market opening will be very volatile. So stay in touch with the news as well. Any news on Middle East will bring crazy volatility right at the market opening. So according to our limited knowledge, what we can see right now is that we can look for a sell here and we can look for a buy here. That's it. Okay, and if market comes around 2411, okay, 2411, 24 or 2412 area, then we can look for a buy around this area as well. And by Tuesday, Wednesday, if there is a heavy selling in the market, then we can look for a sell below 2411. But I don't think so. On Monday, right at the market opening, we will get a sell opportunity below 2411. So let's not talk about it. Okay. But yes, after the market opening, if we see market going up, then we can look for a quick selling opportunity around 24502 to 2452. This can be a selling opportunity for us if market opens like a normal market. Because of geopolitics, if market shows heavy volatility right at the market opening, then obviously it will not work. We will see gold going up again. Okay, but yes, market manipulation happen and we need to understand it, and so as a result we need to wait for the market to settle. You can see 2450 is also a round number, and along with that we also have FIBO 61.8% retracement level around the area. So this can be an opportunity for day traders, but rest of the things, okay, I'm not very convinced. And I will say that as a trader, my dear friend, okay, you also need to learn to wait. So let the market open, let's see how does the market open, then we will discuss again. Obviously I'm coming on Monday again, okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, maybe we can expect a normal market by Tuesday or Wednesday onwards. But the market opening is going to be very, very important. Stay in touch with the news. If market goes up with weak upside, then we can look for a sell around 2450, 2452 area. Okay, we can look for a buy around 2400, 2411, but those are far away. We also can look for a buy around 2425 area. Okay, 2425 area, we have discussed about this level earlier also. So this level is still very much valid, but chances of market coming down to this level right after the market opening is very less. So let's see what the market does. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Sorry to disappoint, because market is market, and this is how, okay, we roll in the market. Okay, have a lovely weekend. Bye bye, take care.